have got
What did you
Quran
want to
in
hear?
your hand,
What did you want to hear?
No. You said that Ibrahim says that kill the family. Show me in the Quran.
It's okay. So if I were to show
I
you
have got Quran
that
as well.
Abraham hated his own family for the sake of Islam.
I want to see the word here. No.
You said kill.
Kill and
You specifically
Don't
said
show me.
kill.
Show me from this Quran.
Wait. Don't worry, please. Please come here. Come, wait. Where are you going? Come. Don't run away. Don't be afraid. Please come. Don't be afraid. Please come. Please. I'm here.
You should have marked yourself.
Please come here. Are you running away right now?
No, I'm not running away.
Let's
You
ask.
don't- you are
Let's ask.
unable to show it.
Come. I'm here. I am here.
Where are you?
Good.
Fine, sure.
He's showing you now.
It
What-
took him
what is
quite
he
a
showing?
while.
Yeah, he had to search. He has a lot to. He has
No,
a
he
lot to
was.
search.
He started the.
Wait. No. I want to.
He has to do
No. I want to see the.
Would you like to see? Sure. Surah 9.
Surah 9.
If you know anything about Surah 9,
I will open Surah 9. Surah 9 is
not
not.
worrying. You can open. He wanted the hard copy. I don't know why he now wants the soft
No,
copy.
I will compare.
Yeah,
I will
sure.
compare. That's what I'm saying. So Surah 9 is opened. Okay, which translation you want? Which English translation you like? I will open that translation.
Yeah, irrelevant. If you watch here, that's enough. If you watch here, that's enough. Don't muddle things up.
I have. No,
Surah,
I'm
please
not-
read. Please read.
Read.
So why you say please read?
Tell me the verse number.
You said, tell the
Excuse me,
verse
sir.
number.
Yes,
I
sir.
I am reading now.
Yes.
If you could please focus
Yes,
rather
because
than
I
making
want to
no.
compare
Surah
which
9.
verse. Surah 9 is
I just
open.
Show.
Show me the first number.
Okay,
He
read.
says, please
Surah.
read. Then I'm
Please
reading.
listen.
Listen.
Please
Verse
listen.
number.
Surah 9,
Yes. it is
Ayah 111.
open. 111. Okay,
Yeah.
No problem. I will just open it. Okay.
Ayah 111.
Okay.
There are hypocrites among the people of Medina.
Don't laugh. Read first.
No,
laugh
I
later.
know this word.
Oh, okay, good. Lovely. Please read. What does it say?
إن الله اشترى من المؤمنين أنفسهم وأموالهم بأن لهم الجنة. ठीक है? يقاتلون في سبيل الله.
Look, I don't know Arabic. Focus on the
Yes,
English, please.
yes.
Please
Those-
read the Arabic if you like,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm not interested in your music,
God
please.
has no.
Yeah.
I've
Does it say-
I have listened to your music. Now you have to listen to my music.
Excuse me, sir, not interested.
Yeah,
Does it say
No,
they
I'm
fight?
interested.
Okay.
Look,
Okay.
God has listen.
Yeah, please.
God has bought from the believers their selves and their possessions against the gift of paradise. They fight in the way of God.
What does it say? They fight in the way of God.
No,
Don't touch.
no,
Don't touch.
no.
They fight, please. Yeah, go on. They fight in the way of God, please.
Okay,
Go on.
then
And what? Fight in the way of God and what?
God. They
So
kill
they
and they
kill.
are killed.
Ah, good.
And are
Let him
killed.
finish.
Killed.
Let him
When you
finish.
fight, you are killed as well as
Yeah,
killed.
when you go fight, you know, yeah.
all those crusaders fight.
Don't. This
No,
is
no.
not crusade. This is the
this
Quran.
this is
This is the Quran.
Quran related.
Focus. Don't worry.
No,
Don't
I'm-
ramble on.
I'm focusing.
So Surah
I'm focusing.
111. What does it say? They fight.
got the wrong one.
Surah 111. Surah 5, 9, 111. What does it say?
Yeah.
They fight.
Uh-huh.
They kill.
And they get killed.
Fine. If you're
No.
nutters like Osama bin Laden, of course you'll
No.
be killed.
No, they-
Fine. Go on.
and-
Now you've read 111. Whoa. Don't worry. Excuse me, sir. Don't worry.
Why did you bring Osama bin
Don't
Laden
no.
in between?
111. Have you
No,
read so
why-
far?
Why did you bring
Now
Osama-
read.
No,
Now read.
There is no.
Now
Osama bin
read
Laden
1-1.
there.
Excuse me. Now read. Now read 113 and 114 also. Thank you.
Read 112 as well.
If you want, please.
They're all a part of the same thing.
Please.
And you should read
It's
before
the same
and
junk.
about-
You can read the entire junk if you
Talk
like.
about your initial.
Please read quick, sir.
No,
Don't
no,
waste
no,
time.
no. Let's focus
Please,
on this.
sir, don't
only.
waste time,
You have
please.
not read it complete.
Don't worry.
No,
Killed.
why you don't worry?
Okay, so okay, read, please.
Read
Okay, fine,
complete,
fine.
Because you have to see the
Please,
context
please,
as well.
please.
Read behind it as well.
Please.
Context
Try
as well.
every nonsense now. Please.
Just
Please
put
read.
it from
Do
you.
you
No,
read
I will
your
not
Bible?
read
Please
it.
read.
Just
You-
a
no,
verse
no,
on
don't-
itself.
Don't go out of context.
Do you read your
You are
Bible
going
just
out
on
the
a verse
context.
on
No,
itself?
read everything.
Yes.
Read everything.
And the word sword.
Would you
is
like to read?
No, I will not try to read. But
You won't
I
read.
want to. No,
Was
no.
this the gentleman who said, show me?
No, it
Now
is-
he doesn't want to
You are
read.
not showing. This is something
Okay, I'm
wrong.
showing. Please,
Where
come
does
here.
all of this say Ibrahim?
Read.
No, where
Show
is
me.
Ibrahim?
Okay, come.
You said 111. Show me where it says Ibrahim.
Come.
Show me.
Okay, I'm showing.
Show.
Showing.
No.
Where does it-
Wow. Calm down, man. See, that's 111.
No, show me one. You said.
Can you read
said
English?
in-
114.
you
What
said
is this
in
word?
111,
Yeah.
it says Ibrahim killed his family. Show me that.
Okay.
Show me.
Happy? Smirk?
I am.
Look,
Show me.
114. Does 114 come after 111?
No.
What is this
It-
word?
it-
Read this word, please. What is it? What is that word?
It has nothing to do with that.
Please read that word.
No, I have read it. I have already read it.
114 and the request of forgiveness of
Where
Abraham.
he is
wait.
linking.
Whoa. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Wait.
You don't know how to read
Listen.
Bible.
Let's listen. And the request. I am reading.
Read from 111 to 114.
I will. Okay. So
there.
there. Look. Let's read.
Don't
Okay.
go from.
Okay. I'm reading right now.
jump
Please
the
stay
gun.
quiet.
Stop
Indeed. I'm reading. Indeed, Allah has purchased from the believers their lives and their properties, for that they will have
In
paradise.
exchange.
That's in the bracket, my dear friends. Illusory. It's not in the text in Arabic. Now go on. They fight in the cause of Allah, so they kill and are killed. A true promise upon him in the Torah.
Okay.
Apparently, this is in the Torah and the Gospel and the Quran.
Okay.
The promise is fight and be killed. And who is truer to his covenant than Allah? So rejoice in your transaction which you have contracted, and it is that which is the greatest attainment. This is the apparently. I'm reading. No. I'm reading. No. The repentant. Look, now they earlier wanted to read. Now they want to discuss.
Discuss.
Let us finish. Excuse me, sir. Aren't you the one who said, show me? Please say.
It mentions Torah.
Please, can you
it mentions
please-
Bible.
Sir, thank you.
It mentions
112, the repentant, the worshippers, the praisers, the travelers, those who bow and prostrate, those who enjoin what is right and forbid what is wrong, and those who observe the limits of Allah and give good tidings to the believers. It is not for the prophet and those who have believed to ask forgiveness. You're not supposed to ask forgiveness for the polytheists.
Yes.
Even if they are relatives. Even, listen,
polytheists.
excuse me, listen. Even, okay, listen.
No, let's
Listen. Even if they are relatives.
Okay, then-
Now I'm going to go to Abraham and his relatives. If you are a prophet, who in your case, Islamic Abraham, if you have polytheists, even if they are relatives, you are supposed not to ask for forgiveness after it has become clear to them that they are companions of hellfire. Verse 114, and the request of forgiveness of Abraham for his father. His father was only because of a promise he had made to him, but when it became apparent to him, apparent to whom? To Abraham, that he, i.e. the father, was an enemy to Allah, he disassociated himself from him. Indeed was Abraham compassionate and patient. So what was Abraham doing?
How does Ibrahim hate?
How
What was Abraham doing?
Killed and hate. How does he hate
Come.
or kill?
Okay.
how he
Maybe he can help. If the Quran says, clearly these guys can't even add one and one together. Clueless, typical Muslims.
Listen.
You are a,
One by one.
now him he is useless. Don't listen to him. Now coming to you, sir. If the verse says, believers kill and be killed, the unbelievers, and then it goes here, one, yeah.
show me where Ibrahim will kill
We have
his
shown you.
relative.
Your
No, you have
specs
not
need a
shown it.
change. Please go on.
So they kill and are killed.
Yes.
They're fighting the cause of Allah.
Who are supposed to be killed and be killed? Muslims. Yeah, Muslims are supposed to kill. Who are they supposed to kill? Hey, whoa. Excuse me, sir. Please wait. Who are they supposed to kill?
Abraham asked God for forgiveness of his.
Who are they supposed to kill? You can read in 112.
Means what?
If you're a prophet, even if they are relatives,
God to forgive.
don't.
Such believers are the repentant, the worshippers, the praisers of Allah, the travelers for His cause, those who bow and prostrate in prayer, those who enjoy what is right and forbid
So,
what is wrong,
yeah.
those who observe the limits set by Allah,
Read completely
and
Bible.
give good tidings to the believers.
Change your specs.
That's
Change your specs.
I just read out 112.
Yeah, 112. So what does it say? And now he is clueless. Don't listen to him. What did I say? What it says is, if you're a prophet, please listen to me. 1 second. Please listen to me and see if it is there or not. Yeah. What it says is, if you're a prophet, even if people are your relatives, including your father, if they are non-Muslims, i.e. unrepentant polytheists, don't ask for forgiveness because they are destined to hellfire. Rather do what? What is there in 111? Kill and be killed. And it goes on to testify in 114 that is what Abraham did, being a faithful Muslim. See if all that I have said is here in the passage or not. These are clueless. Can you see?
I speak?
Can you see? He looks like a criminal already.
speak?
So, is he?
Don't call me criminal.
And so face
Why
face
are
here.
you calling me criminal?
He's
Don't
trying
be
to-
upset.
he-
why are you
Don't.
upset?
I'll call for all sorts of reasons. For all sorts of
I did
reasons.
not call you criminal.
Yeah, that's fine.
No, no.
Are you Hindu?
I am a Christian.
No,
So
why
the
are you
point
calling me
is very
criminal?
simple.
No, no, no.
Very
Why
Well, the
are you
point
calling
is very
me
simple.
Very
criminal? Why
Christian.
did you
So the
call me
point,
criminal?
the point,
Criminal.
Why
Very
did you-
Christian.
the point is very
Why-
simple.
Why did you call me
Tell me,
criminal?
what would
Why
Abraham
you-
do
why did
reading
you
that?
Call him criminal.
What would
Why
Abraham?
did you call him criminal?
In other words, I haven't
Why
got
did
it.
you do a personal attack?
You are
Clueless.
Why did you
Keep
do
moving.
a personal attack?
Keep moving.
Why did you do a personal attack?
Why?
Why?
I'll respond.
No.
I'll. So
Do you
why?
know
I
him?
don't know.
Do you know him?
What
Do you
is
know
this?
him? Have you met him before?
Excuse
you
me,
know
sir.
him perfectly.
Okay.
So
Listen.
you're calling him
Why
criminal
did you
before
call
even
me
knowing him.
criminal?
Why did you ask me a question now?
You called him a criminal.
Did you ask me a question now?
called him a criminal.
Did you ask me a question now?
I'm asking you.
Would you like an answer?
You did call him a criminal.
Did you? Would you like an answer?
Did he
Would you
not
like
call
an
him a
answer?
criminal?
Would you like an answer?
Right.
Would you like an answer?
No,
Yeah.
I don't.
These
I wanna
criminals earlier asked me, where does it say Abraham wanted to kill even their relatives? And I've showed them exactly.
When you try to prove it to something,
If you're a prophet, no, please keep moving. If you are a prophet, the passage is clear. If you are a prophet,
enjoy yourself.
even your relatives, including your fathers, forget about asking forgiveness for them. Rather do what the Muslims have been asked to do, which is kill, and in the process be killed. Please read this and tell me what the implication is. Yeah, Surah 9, 111. Yeah,
911, this one.
yeah, 111. Please tell me what do you understand from this?
Allah has purchased from the believers their lives and their properties in exchange for what they have for that they will have paradise. They fight in the cause of Allah, so they kill and are killed. It is a true promise binding upon him in the Torah and the Gospel and the Quran.
Yeah, if you pause there for a moment. So what does it say? They fight in the cause of Allah, so they kill and be killed. A true promise upon him in the Torah and the Gospel and the Quran. In other words, if you are a Muslim, a true promise, something which is really guaranteed, apparently even a privilege here, that is given to you is that, hey, look, you fight and you kill and you are killed. Yeah, that's what it says. And it goes on. This is a promise, apparently, to go around, kill and be killed in the process if you're a Muslim. And then it says, if you want to read 112, you can. But convenient is, if you go to 113, it says, it is not for the Prophet and those who have believed. To ask forgiveness for the. In other words, you are about killing and being killed, and in this process, what would your temptation be if you have your relatives who are non-Muslims? You may want to ask forgiveness, yeah, for them. But it says, if you're a prophet, don't do it. Don't ask for forgiveness. It says, it is not for the prophet and those who have been believed, i.e., Muslims, to ask for forgiveness for the polytheists, even if they were relatives. Even if they are relatives, don't ask, just kill and be killed. And then what does it say? It goes on. After it has become clear to them that they are companions of hellfire, i.e., they are not of the religion, true religion, companions of hellfire. Now continue. And the request of forgiveness of Abraham. But apparently Abraham tried. Request for forgiveness for his father was only became because of a promise he had. He apparently had a promise and therefore he asked for forgiveness. But when it became apparent to him that he was an enemy to Allah, i.e., the father was an enemy to Allah, Abraham, disassociated himself from his father. Why? Because to a Muslim, the promise is kill and be killed.
It doesn't explicitly say he killed him, but maybe you could argue it's he implied he killed him.
Well, that is a promise given to a Muslim, yeah? In 111, what is the promise? In 111, if you read the first couple of statements, what do you find? What is the privilege that Muslims get there?
You can go to paradise if you kill or are killed for.
Yeah. So in other words, it's a privilege to kill, and of course in the process you will be killed. So the promise is, look, you are a Muslim, wonderful, you can go kill, and then it says, even if they are relatives, don't ask for forgiveness. Abraham tried first, but when he figured out that he is a polytheist, he did not. So what would he have done? If it's an esteemed thing to kill and be killed, And if Abraham initially tried and then he stopped, what would he end up doing after that?
Well, I guess he'd have killed his father.
Yeah, very simple. It's an obvious inference. So no wonder earlier, a couple of weeks ago, I made another video where I said, look, Muslims have been asked to hate even their relatives if they are non-Muslims. You know, someone said, well, it's a half...
If I was following this book, I'd have to... My grandmother is a Hindu, so I guess that makes her a polytheist, so I would...
Absolutely. And are you a Muslim today?
I'm not Muslim.
You're not a Muslim. But do you see what it's saying? It's clearly saying, go kill. And that is bad. And those guys wanted me. Initially, they said, oh, show me from the Quran. Because they never read the Quran, they haven't got a clue. So they asked me to find. They thought I might not be able to find. And I found it and I read. Then they didn't allow me to read. Did you see that? The multiple attempts preventing me from reading. Once he read, he then wanted to escape.
I have heard that there is a verse in the Quran about... I think adulterers should be punished with 100 lashes. I've heard. Do you know about that?
I can't remember. Adulterers would have severe punishment. But again, this has nothing to do with what we would consider to be adultery. In Islam, everything is adultery. But everything they have sugar-coated into calling it a marriage. So nikah, sexual immorality. But we'll come to that later, my dear friend. But my point right now is, Islam is a horrible religion. Brother Daniel, good to see you. Islam is a horrible religion. So even if you have a terrible time in your life, don't become a Muslim. But on the other hand, you should be a Christian.